Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in this video, let's discuss detailed 60-month strategy for UPSC CSE 2024. So before you start your preparation, it is really important to follow few steps so that you will be on right track and you may need not worry about your preparation process. So first let us see what are those steps and how you should follow. So the very first step is understand the pattern of UPSC, that is in how many stages exam is conducted, what is the weightage in each and every stage, and you have to understand each and every rule of UPSC. Like for example, some aspirant don't know that interview can be given in any language. So all those things, all those little important things will be given in the notification itself. So first is understand the pattern of UPSC by seeing the notification, and after that, in the second step, you have to know the syllabus of UPSC. That is, in the notification itself, the syllabus of UPSC is given, and if you see the syllabus, it is separate for prelims and it is separate for mains. So first try to understand the syllabus of UPSC. Try to decode the syllabus and understand the micro topics of syllabus. So if you don't know how to decode the syllabus, I have already done that. The link is given in the description, so you can check that video once. And this syllabus analysis and should be done once you have understood the exam pattern and once you have basic knowledge about the subject that you are reading. For example, if you are reading polity and you want to understand the syllabus of polity very clearly, first you have to have some basic knowledge about the subject. Like you have to understand about polity. So for that, if you read the NCRTs of polity, you will understand about the subject. So once you have understood the subject, if you see the syllabus, you will detailedly understand which topic comes under which part of the syllabus and which is important for you. So it is really important to analyze the syllabus of UPSC when you know the subject very clearly. And while analyzing the syllabus, you have to have your previous year question paper so that you will understand which area is important from UPSC perspective. And the next one is choose an optional subject. So if you have seen the notification, in that you will see 26 subjects, that is 26 optional subjects, and out of that 26 you have to choose one specific optional subject. So this optional should be selected based on your interest or academic background, because many people will neglect optional and they will concentrate on GS first. So once they have completed their GS subject, then they will go for optional. I think it is not right. If take out 10 to 15 days of time and select your optional first. After selecting your optional, then if you start your preparation, you will be able to cover the subject very easily. This is because some people will take political science as their optional, some people will take history as their optional. So when you are preparing your GS and when you have specific topics that are related to your optional in the GS, you will concentrate on that topics more specifically, so that it will be helpful for your optional subject as well. So it is better to select your optional first and then proceed further with the preparation. And after this optional selection, the next thing is you have to maintain limited resources, and this limited resources can be done by following specific books for each and every subject. So that these limited resources will help you to save your time, and it will also help you to revise that particular book number of times. And after this, the next important thing is newspaper. So every day you have to read one newspaper for current affairs, and this newspaper can be The Hindu or Indian Express. So based on your understanding level, you can follow any one of the newspaper out of this two. And when you read this newspaper, try to make notes out of this newspaper so that you will be able to revise your own notes for current affairs. And along with this, you have to follow one current affairs magazine to revise the current affairs every month. And when you are preparing for your prelims, this current affair magazine will be very helpful. So it is advisable to read newspaper every day and make your own notes. And at the end of the month, revise any current affair magazine. And after this, the next important thing is about previous year question papers. So as I told you, when you are analyzing your syllabus or when you are decoding your syllabus, previous year question papers are also important. So always have your previous year question papers, and when you have completed certain portion of the syllabus, try to analyze and try to answer those previous year question papers, so that you will understand the theme of questions that are being asked in the exam. So based on that, you will be able to track down your preparation, and you will be able to modify how you have to read and where you have to concentrate more. And after this, the next thing is note making. This note making is really important for UPSC, because you in UPSC you have so much of syllabus, and you don't know where you have to concentrate. And while reading one subject, you when you proceed further for another subject, definitely you will forget some important points. So it is always advisable to make notes with subject including current affairs. So for this, make separate registers, or if you are making notes online, follow one app and make separate register for each subject and note down important points. And say when you are reading your current affairs, try to update that current affairs with this static portion. So this will be helpful for your revision. And the next one is about revision. So how much ever you read, whatever you read, revision is the key to success in UPSC. So it is strongly recommended to revise the topics that you read every day on daily, weekly and monthly basis. So always take out time and revise the topics that you are reading every day. And when you are revising is or when you are revising the topics, try to attempt 2 to 3 questions of that particular topic every day, so that you will understand where you are making mistakes, and you will also understand how to solve that particular question. And the next one is about mock test. And this mock test are also important, because when you attempt mock test, it will help you to understand whether you are on right track or not. So it is necessary to practice questions through answer writing and rectify your mistakes. So all these 9 points or all these 9 steps are key points in order to success in UPSC. So whenever you are going to start your preparation, try to keep in mind that you have to definitely follow these 9 steps, and then only you strategize your preparation. And now talking about the strategy. So today is it is 31st of January, so we have nearly 16 months time for prelims. So starting the preparation from 1st of February, that is tomorrow, let's see what should be done. So as I told you that after seeing the syllabus of UPSC, you will understand which topic is important and what are the micro topics of syllabus. So in order to understand and analyze that syllabus, it is necessary to know the topics. So first in February, we are starting our preparation with the NCRTs of polity. So once we have done with the NCRTs of polity, we will further move to the standard book of polity, which is Lakshmikant. So in February, we will concentrate on polity, NCRT and standard book. And after that, in March, we will go for economy, NCRT and standard book of economy. And in April, we will go through geography, NCRTs and standard books. And here, while reading geography NCRT, you will cover certain part of environment. So for environment, you don't need to worry. And in May, we will go through history NCRT and standard book. So if you are reading old history NCRTs, it is not necessary to read any standard books. if you are following new NCRTs, any one standard book should be taken and you have to read that. And while reading history, you don't need to cover post independence and world history, because these two can be covered later. So after this, from June to October, you have to concentrate on your optional. So this 5 months should be given for your optional preparation, and in this 5 months you will also read and make notes of polity, economy, geography and history. And along with this optional, from June itself you have to start your newspaper preparation. That is because already you have covered your basics. So now if you start reading your newspaper, you will understand the news that is given. So from June you have to start reading newspaper every day, and in this 5 months you have to revise and make notes of polity, economy, geography and history that we have studied previously. Next, in November, December and January, you will start preparing for your mains. That is, you will concentrate on main specific subjects like security, disaster management, and some part of post independence, world history, and you will also concentrate on ethics, and you will also concentrate on governance. So all these main specific subjects will be covered in November, December and January, and along with this you will have to start practice answer writing. So this answer writing should be done every day, because you have already completed your static portion of polity, economy, geography, history and optional. So it is advisable to start your answer writing practice from November, and along with this you have to go through the previous year question papers, so that you will also be able to understand how UPSC is asking the questions and where you have to concentrate for answer writing. And after this answer writing practice, and after reading main specific subjects, in February, March, April and May you have to give your concentration for prelim specific subjects. So in February you can continue your answer writing, and from March, April and May, so in these 3 months you have to give your entire time for prelim specific subjects, which are polity, economy, geography, history, current affairs, science and technology, environment. And along with this you have to practice CSAT every day, and you have to start giving your mock tests, because you have already completed all of these subjects, but here just you are going through prelim specific subjects, and here you have to make notes. That's it. And you have to give mock test every day. So I hope it is very clear for you. So this is what you have to do in each and every month for 2024 prelims. And I hope you have understood each and every aspect that I have explained here, and the detailed strategy, that is the day-to-day strategy for all these months, will be given in further video. So this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.